Okay, I'm going to show you how to switch the cylinder out of a Schlage lock, Schlage Connect lock. And so here's the exterior where we will be changing this piece here and putting in another cylinder that has a matching key. So all you do is you unscrew this part here, and then once you do that, this part is able to come out, and then the replacement that you might have, take your replacement with the matching key, and you can toss this other one out if you like. You don't need it anymore if you don't have the key for it. And then you simply put this one right back where the other one was, and take this screw and you screw it back in. And it's pretty much as easy as that. And after you're done screwing it all in, you have a new cylinder with a different key.